You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.